Hi friends, it's Jeff and Stephanie Ryder with Keller Williams bringing you another great listing. This one in beautiful Black Forest just outside of Colorado Springs at 10250 Hardy Road. Now, you know, one of the most common phrases we've heard over the last year is social distancing. And if that's what you're looking for in the way of a lot of space, we've got the house for you.
This beautiful home has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, is just over 6,200 square feet. It sits on almost 15 treed acres, and it's perfect for those seeking space and privacy. Not only is this a great home, but the outbuildings will support your hobbies, and you'll never want to leave.
Yeah, and there's a 60 by 40 shop that you could pretty much live in, a large 3-door horse stall for your larger pets, loafing sheds, and a garden area with sprinklers. The 60 by 40 foot building comes with a heated shop, 220 electrical service, a bathroom, an adjoining small office, an insulated craft room, insulated power tool room, and a wood-burning stove.
Let's go inside and take a look.
As you enter the huge arched entryway, you'll feel a sense of freedom, knowing you have plenty of room to roam inside and out. First stop, the kitchen, which the gourmet chef in your family will love, with abundant countertops, custom cabinetry, under and over cabinet lighting, a gas range, sub-zero refrigerator, and walk-in pantry. Your family and friends will really enjoy the counter bar with attached seating and kitchen nook.
Also on the main level is the generous great room, which opens to the kitchen and the private back deck. Here you'll find a 3-sided fireplace and plenty of natural light that displays the beauty of the forest. You guys are going to love this master suite. It is complete with a 3-sided fireplace, a private sitting area, a private exit onto the back patio, a gorgeous 5-piece bathroom, and a walk-in closet. When you're done with the day, you can retreat to the spa-like master bathroom with double vanities, a deep soaking tub, large tile shower, and views of pine trees. On the same wing as the master bedroom is another bedroom or office, complete with French doors and a walk-in closet. Other features of this home include a formal dining room with a butler's pantry, a mudroom, a large walk-in pantry, 2 laundry rooms, and radiant heated flooring throughout the home, including the garage.
And in case that's not enough, there is a whole nother floor that serves as a complete separate living area that includes a separate entrance. One of my favorite features of this house is this kitchen. In most homes, this would be a spectacular primary kitchen, but this home has 2 well thought out large kitchens that is great for visiting family or for multi-generational families living in the same home. Also in this lower level is a theater room wired for surround sound, a spacious rec room, and a walkout to a covered patio, as well as 2 more bedrooms and a dining room. You know, this house is so complete, it actually has a hanging tree house and an 11-hole Frisbee golf course. Dang it!
Thanks for joining us for a tour of this beautiful home at 10250 Hardy Road, located in Black Forest. It's the perfect opportunity for you and your family to own a home that has basically everything. If you'd like a personal tour or if you have more questions, please contact us at
593-SOLD or send us an email.